I'm Paul from HPA, ICT BDM for New South Wales. Today I'm going to be going through the Circadian Wamee Power Box on the Model T GCX cart. To start, we're going to bring our cart to a comfortable ergonomic height using the height adjustment pedal in between the front casters with our foot. We bring the cart up to a nice height so that we can easily access. Coming down to the box here, underneath on the right-hand side, front right-hand side, you will find a switch. This is the power switch. With the power turned off, the LCD will be blank and there will be no green LED illuminated on the front of the box. Turning it back on, we will see the LED illuminate displaying the battery percentage and runtime of the cart. Removing batteries when charging is required, you come round to the side of the cart, place your hand on the handle top, remove straight up out of the battery cradle, hand underneath, carrying the battery safely over to the charging station, where you bring over, hand on the handle, slide in to connect, and when the battery makes contact, you will see the LED display illuminate, start to blink, showing that it is charging. When you bring back a fully charged battery to go back into the cart, same process, hand on the handle, sliding into the cup, display on the front so you can see easily sliding in. When it goes down, it clicks in to connect. The LEDs illuminate, and that is showing connection and that it is working on the LCD display. If there is no connection on the cup, you will only see the battery that is connected. So if I take this out, you see on the LCD display that it is only running off of one battery. This is the front of the battery, 240 watt hour battery, Wamee Power. At the bottom of the LEDs, we have a W button which can be pressed. This shows that this battery is currently at a charge state between 30 and 60%. You have 5 LEDs, the first of which is showing 0 to 15%, the second of which 15 to 30, the third of which 30 to 60, the fourth of which 60 to 90, and then the fifth shows the last 10% to get to 100% fully charged. If your battery is at the 15 to 30%, that is when ideally it is changed over and put into the charging station to charge. This protects the lower area of the battery cell, which will help battery efficiency over time. If you press the W for 3 seconds, it will then show you the charge state available for the battery. This, with 5 LEDs illuminated, shows that this battery is working to 100% capacity and is as good as new. The batteries can also be charged and plugged in through the cart. On the side of the cart, you will have an orange curly cable used to charge and power the cart. When plugged in, you will see on the side, when charging, the LED on the batteries, the same as in the charger, blink, showing that the battery is being charged. You can also see on the LCD display at the front, it displays charging, and it will show the state of battery charge on each individual battery. If the box is turned off, the system will still run via direct power. It bypasses the charge line and will still power the cart. So if your batteries are at 0% charge, same as the ones on the charger, you can still plug the cart in and use the WOW as required. Make sure, if you ever have issues with power that the cart being turned on, a telltale sign will be, if you unplug from charge, you've seen the LCD display be on when you're charging, but when it comes unplugged, the LCD display is at 0. Just make sure the cart is turned on. You will see illumination of batteries comes back up and you are off and running. If you have any further questions following this video, please reach out to HPA. We're happy to help in any way we can. Thank you.